This is the question of properties of triangle and can be taken as the easiest question of this paper. Still, I will do it in two ways. Actually, I feel enjoyment in doing the question by multiple ways when the question is difficult. For first way, I would suggest you that remember the following formulas. Not all these formulas are being used in this question, but it is good to remember these formulas. So far you have seen them in questions only, but actually when you are preparing for JEE examinations, you must remember them. Tan B is sine A plus B upon cos A cos B. It is not difficult to see the proof of it. Just take LCM and you will get this formula directly. But I just want to tell you that you must keep this result in mind. And if it is minus here, minus will come here. Similarly, 1 plus tan A tan B is cos A minus B upon and 1 minus, then plus comes here. It's not required to remember it. As soon as you require this formula, you can make it in mind. Just you have to remember that this can be converted to this form. Similarly, cot A plus minus cot B, you can make this result directly. Similarly, 1 plus minus cot A cot B. Hence, you must remember these results. At least for JEE advanced examination point of view, it is good to remember these. Now, cot A plus cot C upon cot B is equal to sin C plus A upon sin A sin C into sin B upon cos B. This is equal to sin B into sin B upon sin A into sin C into cos B. And this means C is equal to under 23. This means A is 3 and this means B is 4. Hence we get sin B equal to 4k into 4k upon 3k into under 23k, and the value of cos B can be found by using cosine formula. If you are thinking that what is k, k has come from sine formula, that sin A upon A is equal to sin B upon B is equal to sin C upon C is equal to k. The value of cos B is A square plus C square, that is 3 square plus 23 minus 4 square upon 2 into 3 into under 23. This is equal to 16 upon 9 plus 23 minus 16 by 2. This is equal to 32 upon 16 equal to 2. Alternatively, I could also do it in this way, that this is equal to b square plus c square minus a square upon 2bc sin a plus a square plus b square minus c square upon 2ab sin c whole upon a square plus c square minus b square upon 2ac sin b, that is equal to b square plus c square minus a square plus a square plus b square minus c square upon a square plus c square minus b square. Note that all these are equal because delta is 1 by 2 bc sin a or also equal to 1 by 2 ac sin b also equal to 1 by 2 ab sin c. Hence each of them is 4 delta, therefore they will get cancelled and we will get this thing, and further 2b square upon a square plus c square minus b square, and further 2 into 4 square upon 9 plus 23 minus 4 square. This is equal to 32 upon 16 equal to 2.